Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the movement. Remove the strap and use a case opener or nylon ball to pry the back off. This prevents stress on the crystal. Once done, lift the movement slightly and place it into a movement holder so you can work steadily. Make sure the crown is pushed in, and if necessary loosen case, clamps a 1/2 turn to clear the dial edges. This stabilizes the piece and prevents scratches while you reach the dial feet. You now remove the hands and free the dial. Set the time to 12:00 to align hands, then lift the hands straight up using hand levers or a 2-prong puller. Do it slowly to avoid bending. Once the hands are off, inspect under the dial edge for clips or small screws holding the dial feet. Carefully unclip or unscrew these while supporting the dial. This lets you lift the dial evenly, which prevents bending the feet or damaging indices. You finish by lifting the dial clear. Support one edge and lift evenly upwards, avoiding any twisting motion that could shear the feet. Once removed, inspect the movement for loose markers or dirt. Use a rubber blower and pegwood to clear debris and check hand seating before reassembly. If the dial sticks due to dirt or old adhesive, heat the case gently with a heat lamp for a few seconds and try again. This softens the adhesive. If still stuck, stop and consult a watchmaker to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.